Namaste. This is Satyanarayan from Yogisha Mission Trust. We are here to discuss about the Paschimottanasana, that is the seated forward bending pose today. Let us see how to do without any mistakes. Before that, I would request you to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, and please click the bell button also, so that you will get the notification. Thank you. Now before that, we have to sit in the Dandasana. So this is called as Dandasana, seated posture. We have to sit on our sitting bones or the sit bones. Okay, so this is the sit bones. We have to sit on the sit bones and release the tailbone. We should not sit on the tailbone like this. So sit straight. Try to sit straight. If you cannot sit straight, what you can do is just fold the mat or get a blanket, okay, and sit on this. That 1 or 2 inches which you are giving in elevation here will reduce the strain. Normally people find it difficult to sit on the sit bones because their lower back is tight. So it comes like this. Okay, they sit like this. So it should not be done like that. So we have to just sit straight. Right? Now, after that, hands up, inhale, and slowly bring your hands down. And keep your hands on the shin bone. This is called the shin bone. Okay. Just below the knees is the shin bone or tibia. So sit on the sit bones and bring your hands on the shin bone. Again, up and bring it down. And where you have to see, you should not see down. You should not see down. You have to just raise up, and keep your hands on the shin bones, or you can just keep your hands down. If you find it difficult to bring your hands closer to your feet, if you are just here, it is fine. And breathing is normal. Don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. What you have to see, where you have to focus. You have to focus on the lumbar bones, lumbar region of your body. So this is the lumbar region of your spine. So it should not be like this. This is not correct. Normally what I have seen is, people just do this. This is not correct. And don't bring your head down. Don't bring your chin down towards the leg. Keep it straight. See, this is fine. This is fine. If you cannot do anything of these things, just sit straight. Keep your hands on the just shin bone, okay, just below the knees, and sit straight. If people have bulky abdomen, then they cannot bend forward. So you don't have to do anything, just sit straight. That's it. There is one more variation in this. Okay, just do this. This is also fine. What you are not supposed to do is this. Normally people think that they have to bring their forehead towards the knees. It is not correct. It is not correct. It is going to create a lot of problems for your neck and the upper back. Okay. So just sit straight. Another thing, which you have to focus uh, is your abdomen. So you have to engage your abdomen. See, this is called as engaging the abdomen. Make it tight, not like this. This is not correct. Sit straight up. See that your spinal cord is straight, not like this. Straight. And one more thing which you have to focus is your feet. It should be straight, not like this. Okay, your feet should not splay. Okay, it should be straight. See, whether you are here or here or here or here, whatever it is, okay, let us make it straight. Okay, so this is the way you have to do the Paschimottanasana or the seated forward bend. If you have anything to say, if you have any doubt, please get back to me. Put it in the comment box. And thank you for your time and watching the video. Thank you.